Energy bars containing majorly protein and creatine supplements, protein and creatine powder to make drinks, and pills are definitely not uncommon among people who train, especially in the gym. Most people come with bottles containing already mixed supplements. This might make you wonder, do supplements of protein and creatine have something to do with getting more out of training? Or is it just satisfying? Or maybe you feel it's one of those unproven myths which become trends that everyone goes along with. Tell us your opinion in the comment section as we break down the subject, analyze, and discuss the effects of protein and creatine supplements on training. First of all, protein is a class of food that helps in bodybuilding. This is the basic description of proteins, but there's a limit to the amount of protein the body can make use of in a day, and this depends on the muscle mass of the individual, meaning that the more a person's body mass, the more protein the body utilizes. Another thing that may affect the amount of protein used up is the activity a person partakes in, meaning that for people who are training or working out or doing strenuous jobs, the rate of protein consumption is increased. From studies, it's been found that an average person consumed about 1 gram of protein per kilogram they weigh. So, a person weighing 60 kilograms needs about 60 grams of protein daily. When the person's working out though, that raises by over half, almost to 2 grams per kilogram weighed. So a person weighing about 80 kilograms may need about 130 grams of protein daily. This might seem abstract, but let us bring it to our daily diet. A healthy diet contains about 25 to 30 grams of protein. So, 3 square meals give about 90 grams already. Don't worry if you're not training and you feel like you're taking more proteins, because the body has a regulatory mechanism to deal with the extra protein as long as it's not excessive. For individuals training, the case is slightly different, as they require more protein content in their diet. But this can easily be managed by adding more proteinous food, such as chicken, wings, eggs, milkshakes, and so on, and there will be enough protein for the body. Also, people who train tend to eat more, and so there will be more protein in the diet anyway. So the point is that you don't need to eat protein bars and shakes to get enough. The easiest thing is to sit down and calculate how much protein you're getting and possibly adjust your diet. Shakes and the like are unnecessary. Creatine, on the other hand, is an amino acid also found in muscles and in the brain, and for some, taking it can actually mean something. What's been seen in research is that those who take a small supplement, about 5 grams a day, and engage in high explosive training, hard strength training, or sprinting may have an effect of about a 15% increase in performance. This is because the creatine allows the body to produce more energy to fuel the muscles. It can also help in muscle recovery and increase muscle mass. Creatine is present in the body and is produced by the kidney and liver, but in a small quantity. Creatine can also be found in some food, like seafood and red meat. But this might not be your daily diet, so it's not a bad idea to take creatine supplements. In terms of risks involved, while there have been no serious short-term side effects, there have been no long-term studies on the long-term effects. So we can't rule out that it may have some nasty long-term side effects. But it is estimated that a small supplement of around 5 grams per day is safe. Taking too many proteins in general has side effects, as it's not easily excreted from the body, thereby causing an increased burden on the body's organs. Increased body protein levels may lead to increased obesity, cardiovascular diseases, or diseases relating to the heart and blood vessels, kidney disease, and liver diseases. So despite the positive effects of creatine, you must be careful in the consumption to avoid the health problems that may ensue from its overconsumption. So in conclusion, while protein supplements are obviously unnecessary and should be avoided to prevent the possible side effects that high consumption of proteins poses, creatine supplements may be effective if consumed with caution. Protein as food during training is the best way to supplement the protein in the body, due to the energy loss during training, and also to get good effects. Small amounts of creatine supplements can also help in performance and muscle recovery, but as earlier stated, must be taken with caution. If you like this video, kindly like, subscribe, bell notification, and share with friends. Thank you for watching.